So I didn't video the whole process, but I just got it done here. This is the windshield wiper motor from the Ford pickup it's shot. It was original 93. Got the other one put on there. It was quite a process. And to take all this off here, it's still a little bit loose here, but anyway, to take all that off here, I still got to tighten this down actually. And I need new windshield wiper blades. Windshield, the seal's bad, that's why it's leaking in there. And the windshield wiper motor was, it only costs like $40 off Amazon. It's like a little clip in there, and it's just pretty simple. You just got, take the windshield wiper, or the antenna off, all them 4 bolts, and around here, and then them 2 wires. So I'll turn the key on and show you. So I'm getting little done by little. I need new wipers, so I hate to run it too long, but see, that's all it was. And then we have to do some exhaust work, brake work, and tire work yet on here before it's really safe to go down the road. And a little bit with the fuel system. We got a leak on the return line and the O-rings for the kit. Get that put in there. Then she should be good. We have the oil changed. Battery here from my Avalanche, that tests great. That does not need to be replaced. Everything is really ready. There should be a fan shroud put back on there, but it doesn't overheat, so we'll just leave it. Transmission fluid's good. I've checked everything. Oil's good. Antifreeze is good. So we should be getting closer, and we should be able to have it ready just to drive in the summer. And then in the winter, we won't drive it because, you know, being a diesel, and plus, I don't know. I just don't want to start them in the winter and drive them. So, all right. So, hope you enjoy that. Yeah, this thing is pretty bad. I'm sorry I didn't film me doing it. Yeah, I took the cover off there. It's bad. I didn't show me doing it because I was doing it by myself, and that thing's a royal pain in the butt to do myself. So anyway, just doing some work there. We're going to actually work on our air compressor here. When I turn it on, the belt squeal. So I'm wondering if this has to be loosened up and tightened. So I'm going to look at that and do some normal maintenance today. So, alright. There we go. The old girl's getting fixed here. Just have to give us patience. Got a lot going on. We're going to have to wax it. People said wax and wash it. Yeah. Needs to be done. Hasn't been done forever. Look at all the leaves back there. Has never been cleaned out in here for probably 15 years. Oh boy. That bulb is bad. There's cobwebs. Do a little bit of cleaning in here, and the old girl will look like a brand new one. And try to fix that. It's coming along. Just got to give us time here. Just replace a few things at a time there, and you know, that thing, I don't expect that stuff to last forever. Jeez, look at it. 93? That's pretty damn good. It is 93. It says 93 on there, so that's pretty darn good. So you can see here, I don't know if you can see, but that's loose. See, it's going to slip. So get this, loosen that up. Now it's loosen up and kind of move it over a little bit. Move it this way to tighten it. See, it's off just a little bit, but the belt may be wore off enough where it's not going to be able to work. So I'll see here. Still not better, but the belt's bad, so let's get a new belt. Much better than it was. She felt up air. Oh, she's better than it was, though. Belts slipped too much, so it's more. Alright, I'm going to clean it up, put it back together, and should be good enough.